I have $700. So when we get done with this, we need to have $700. Hey, welcome back to the channel. She Faithfully Plans, and I'm just going to do a bill swap cash condensing, and I'm doing it for my savings challenges because I want to keep doing my savings challenges, and I need to like get the ones and all of that stuff out so that I can continue my savings challenges. So I'll be doing a bill swap, and I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 620, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I have $700. So when we get done with this, we need to have $700. All right, and it is going to be, I'm going to get started here with this one. Let's get started with this challenge, and this is my faith-based savings challenges. And I do have a few that I think I should be able to start doing some swaps out for. So we got 20, 40, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, so that's 80. Let's get the 1, 2, 3, 4 for that. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5. Okay, so I can't do anything with that. I should have brought some fives then, huh? All right, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, 145. That's what we have here. And that's the fruit of the spirit. That is like a game. So that's one of the games that I played with my faith challenges. And with this challenge, let's see how much we have here. We got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, $86. All right, let's switch this for 20. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86. All right, I figured these wouldn't be so much, but I know once I get to those other challenges, like the ones where I'm using a lot of ones, that's where a lot of it is going to be exchanging. Okay, let's grab this dark purple binder here, my plum colored binder. All right, and I have a lot of challenges in here. Let's see. It's not too many, but so we got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's pull all of that out and grab a 20. All right. Okay. And then this challenge, I have here 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's $50 even. And I don't have any, all I have is 20. So $50 even. Let's do this. Let's put all the money over here and grab 50. Okay, 20, 40. Okay, so $50. Let's put that here. And I will just make sure I come in with like good denominations ones, right? Having enough ones when I come to the challenges. Okay, so that still has 50. All right, this challenge here, only thing is now I'm counting, and I did want to kind of have a surprise. Let's say 10, 20. Let's grab that 20, 10, 15. That's another 20. Okay. Grab that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, let's grab a 5 and a 10. Still got 20, 40, 55, 6, and 57 in this challenge. All right, let's keep going. I thought I had messed up my audio for a second. I was like, oh no, I had to press pause, but it looks like it's okay. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's $40 there. Let's change that out. Okay, all of this goes here. All right, so still got the $42 here in this challenge. All right, and that's that one. Okay, this box challenge. Do I want to trade this out? I guess I can. Let me see. I got 10, 20, 30. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, and 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. That's 50. Okay. You know, I don't have 50, so I'm still going to bring 50 back. 20, 40, $50 in the two. So this one still has a little bit to go. Not that many. I don't have that many things left with this one, but that's okay. So that's starting to feel better already. And I'll be able to continue my savings challenges without running into like a lot of situations where I have to try to make change. I hate when I have to do that. Just feels like it disrupts everything. Oh gosh. Okay, let's see what we have here. I want to get a different envelope for this. Okay, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 120. Let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Let's leave that there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, 49. So let's do this 10, 20, 30, and 40. Let's change that out. Okay, so we should have 149 still. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 51, 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 140, 45, 46, 47, 48, 149. Okay. All right, so that one is better. I didn't get any $100 bills. That's the only problem. Let me see. And one more thing, this one here, because I'm hoping a lot of these are going to finish out coming up at the end of the month. Hopefully. So with that being said, once I move these things over to my my sinking funds binders, I don't want it to be so thick. And I got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, $27. Okay, so let's just get a 20 here. Okay, 25, 26, 27. All right, and in this next slot here, let's see how close we are. Bunch of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so let's take this 15 and a 10 and a 5. So we still got 10, 15, $16. All right, and let's see what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, $5 here. Let's switch that out. Still has the $6. Okay, this one only has $1, literally. Okay, and this challenge, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 singles. All right. And here we have this challenge. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's move that there. Okay. All right. And then these completed challenges, I'm torn with whether I just want to. Okay, so it should be 24. So let's do this. 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, can't do anything with the 4. Okay. All right, so So it still has its $24. I'm doing this to do a test too, to see like with these vellum envelopes when you make them, how much pressure. Okay, 24 as well. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so it has 20, 1, 2, 3, 24 in this challenge as well. Okay, so that one is good still. Okay, and this one is literally, I have just March in here right now anyway, but we can still 10, 20, 20, let's see, 10, 20, 35. Okay, let's take the 30. Pick the 10 right back up, but that's okay. 20, 35 is still in this March savings challenge, which I need to go ahead and finish out. Let me see. Oh, I do have some that are finished here. Let's start here in the back. Now, this was a finished challenge. All right, and this was this matcha dessert challenge. So it was 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Okay. All right, so let's put this back. Grab 2 20s and a 10, okay? And I do think that may be all for these. I don't know. Let's keep going. Let's see. No, okay, here. I'm seeing a lot of ones here. Okay, and this has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 7, 8, 29, 30. Okay, so this has $32 in it. So let's put the 30 back. Grab a 20 and a 10. All right, so we got 20, 31, $32 here. All right. And that's that Flowers and Bloom challenge. What do we have here? Okay, so relatively new one. We got $5, $6, $7, $8 there. Nope, can't do anything. This one. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 10, 15. Let's grab that. Okay, let's leave that there for now. And it was 16, right? Okay. I feel like I just did something wrong, but I don't know. Certainly hope not. 10, 15, $16 here. Is that right? 10, 15, 16. That is correct. That challenge got nothing. Didn't do anything. The first... Okay, this one is almost done. It almost looked like I probably should just went on and gave it the dollar. Let me see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay. So $40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. All right. 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. All right, and that is a lot better now. Okay, that's a lot better. So I will have some change when I come up to do these challenges the next time. I don't know if I want to attempt counting this. If I do, it's going to be very speeded up. make sure it's still, what, $700? We took out 700. Where's my calculator? Okay, thank you. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 250. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 205. Okay, that's 575 so far. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's another 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and that's 100. Oh God, it was on 575, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Did you press it?
I don't know.
I have my little helper next to me. Okay, I think she might have pressed the button. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, plus 25. All right, yay, we got it right. Okay. All right, so we can continue what we're doing. Some of this was supposed to be going to the cash stuffing, to my savings challenges for the next one anyway, but it was just like a bunch of bigger bills, and I needed to switch it out. Okay, all right, so we have that accurate. All right, and that is the process of making sure you have money for these savings challenges when you're using small denominations. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.